In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group calendar in Microsoft Outlook 2025. By the end, you'll have a shared calendar your team can use to plan, coordinate, and stay aligned. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site and sign in with your account. Make sure you're using the correct work, school, or personal account, since the calendar you create will live under that profile. If your organization uses Outlook on the web, the interface may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, switch to Calendar. You'll find the calendar icon on the left side. If you don't see it right away, expand the left navigation rail so the app icons are visible. This takes you to your calendar view. In the calendar view, look for Add Calendar. It's usually on the left pane or at the top, depending on your layout. Click Add Calendar, then choose Create Blank Calendar. This is the quickest way to make a dedicated space for your group events without importing anything. Give your new calendar a clear descriptive name so everyone recognizes it at a glance. For example, include the team or project name and a time frame if that helps. Next, pick a color. Choosing a distinct color makes it easier to differentiate this calendar from your personal one or other team calendars. When you're happy with the name and color, click Save. After saving, close the pane by clicking the X to return to your main calendar view. Now let's share it. Find the calendar you just created in the list on the left under My Calendars. Hover over it and click the three dots to open more options. Select Sharing and Permissions. In the sharing box, type the email address of each person you want to include. You can add multiple people one after another, then choose the appropriate permission level from the drop-down. For most teams, Can View All Details is great for transparency, while Can Edit lets others add and modify events. Use higher permissions only for those who need to manage the calendar day to day. When your list and permissions look right, click Share. The people you added will receive an invite to view or manage the calendar. You can revisit sharing and permissions at any time to add or remove people or change access levels. And remember, you can always update the calendar's name or color later without affecting existing events. That's it. Your Outlook group calendar is ready to use.